What is up, Ducks? It's mattyd603, otherwise known as your main Duck, the Emo Duck, and I'm here with Sam Momo and the famous Benny Benson.
Okay, I just stopped my recording because I accidentally opened up the Minecraft without my Optifine.
Just do a random intro.
No, it lags too much.
I'll be
I
like,
get
Leo, 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 Leo.
no, I would get 17 FPS while recording
Oh
without
no!
Optifine.
Oh no!
What?
There's a baka
No.
going for Iron Axe.
Okay, I'm killing this guy named Morocco.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Why?
Why?
He's got a stone sword.
Really? You're gonna punch me
I
to
have
death?
a wooden axe. I can counter him. I'm killing a guy who has a wooden sword and I have a wooden axe.
This baka just tried to punch me to death.
Also, by the way,
Yeah.
it's 6:25 where I live.
It's 7:27 where I am, and I just got out of work.
I just woke up.
I just got out of work.
I just woke up.
I had a long day at work. I'm making a stupid move right now.
Me too. Why did I do that? Oh, I died.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was a smart move.
No, I'm dead.
Oh my god! Sorry. Oh my god!
What?
I got so much good shit from that guy.
Oh, half a heart, half a heart.
Is there such thing as that? Good.
Yeah.
I can't say that.
I got an iron chest plate, a bunch of food for the whole game.
Okay, dude. While you guys are doing that, I'm gonna go get Optifine. Magic launcher run. Sam. Momo. Then my password.
Really, guys?
What?
They trapped me in the house.
They seriously trapped you in the house?
I'll wait there to deathmatch.
Best recording ever.
That's relatively weird.
I'm stuck.
Christmas in a whole house.
Okay, I guess I have to go to my downloads, copy and paste my Optifine, wherever it is.
I want to get out. I'm gonna blow it up.
Oh no, someone's here. I'm dead.
Well,
that's a bad version of Optifine. I gotta delete that. I'm just gonna go to the Optifine.net.
I'll run.
Wait, did you start your recording?
No, I'm still recording.
Oh,
This is
he's
hilarious.
gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
I'm downloading Optifine.
Yep, I'm dead.
Downloads.
No, I'm not.
Let's do the ultra
Wait,
one.
how did he even get a furnace?
Because he's Furnace Man. He has fat kids in his van.
Well, on the plus side, I can cook stuff.
Good point.
Wait, I have nothing to cook it with. Can I cook?
Oh
a
my
boat?
god, I don't have a weapon.
Bill Benny, I have a boat and a diamond, so you can make a diamond shovel.
Oh.
Do you want to do that?
I don't know where you are.
Okay, do you know where the house by airport is?
Yeah.
Go to that, and I'll toss you the boat and the diamond.
Optif.
And I have a lingerie helmet and leather chest plate if you need it. What do you have, Benny, for armor?
Full chain, but leather pants.
Okay. And do you
Or
need
leggings. Oh, there's a team 2. Oh, you're in that house.
Yeah.
Oh, the team of 3 or something is there. I can't go there.
Downloads.
Oh my god, this is guys. You guys are probably entertained. This is probably like, wow, Matt, you suck. You got stuck in a house. Ready? Just take this. Take that.
I'm scared. I don't want to do this.
Run, Benny. Run like the wind.
Where do I go?
Go make something. Go crash a boat.
Go crash a boat.
Let me get this chair. I know.
Imagine like you saying that in an everyday conversation. Go crash your boat. Get
I
sticks.
want to. Let me out. Ah.
Are you trapped?
I've been trapped for this whole time.
Not the time when you killed that one guy who had that thing.
Ah, this is annoying. Stupid door beds. Doors don't belong on beds.
What? Wait, what? Wait, what?
There's a door on the bed. Okay, so the bed frame is a door.
Oh, stone axe.
That makes no sense.
Wait, do you have food?
Yeah.
Could I have some?
Oh. Ducks can't survive.
They cannot.
Is that
I
team two?
I literally just almost killed someone when I was trapped.
Oh shoot, they're coming. Yeah, I can't fight them.
Benny. Is there any way for you to break in here?
No. Give me a diamond.
Oh wait, this guy's coming in.
What?
This guy's coming into my house.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use Internet Explorer because for some reason my Google won't. It's being a poop.
I'm on the trees.
I'm legitimately using Internet Explorer right now.
You know what's funny though, Sam?
What?
If I can get out, I can win.
Really?
I mean, I have iron axe, iron and lingerie armor. I'm gonna get a bunch more armor when these chests refill because there's like 4 chests in here.
Well, I'm gonna die.
Benny.
Benny, why do you have to die?
Well, Sam, I'm gonna be talking. You died too.
Well, I had a wooden axe and that's it.
Well, you know what I had?
An iron axe.
Yeah, iron axe.
I had a
Cake.
wooden one with no armor.
Oh, there's a guy in that house
Quack.
that I
Quack.
can't take.
I'm
Should I?
going insane.
Should I go?
I want to stick this axe in my brain.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm
Do
gonna
you want to
kill
hear
him.
my song?
Sure.
Quack, quack, I'm going
Yes.
insane. Want to stick this axe inside my brain.
I might have to consider getting a new computer soon.
Ah, Benny.
At least I killed somebody.
Benny, if you come to the
I killed somebody too. I killed Rocco.
Rocco's Modern Life.
Is there sheep?
Yeah.
I wanna lock myself with wool.
Yeah, there's sheep. There's some sheep by the food building.
I don't know.
And that's where...
Oh god, there's a guy there. Was that you? Yeah, it's you.
Come on. Refill, chest. Refill. Refill. Refill.
Like, how did you get trapped?
I was getting stuff in the house, and then someone just tossed on a furnace, I guess.
I'm over here.
I can't get to you, Benny Benson.
Well, at least I have a good source of food now.
Yeah, I have full armor now.
Cool. That's a good thing.
I can't lose.
Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
It's an awesome thing. Benny, do you want iron chest plate?
Yeah. I want to climb to the top.
Take this.
No, there's no way.
Benny, that's an iron chest plate.
I shouldn't have went up here, but yeah.
Where'd you
Why
go?
I have an iron chest plate.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'll take it back then.
Where can I hide? Nowhere.
Can you build up any higher?
Come on, build. Oh no!
What?
Did the wrong way.
So it's a team of 3 versus me and Benny Benson.
Oh no, that's bad.
And we're both separated. We're actually not near each other.
That's not a good thing.
I'm in a dangerous place right now. Oh, 1 second.
Benny!
I have to wait 25 seconds.
And they're getting all the loot that spawned right now.
Yeah, we're dead.
I still don't understand how you got a furnace.
Actually, none of them are at spawn.
Where are they?
Well, one of them is trying to get in there. Bad Boy is chasing Cool Cat Caleb.
Oh, so they're not all teamed.
No.
Maddie, where do I go?
I don't know, Benny.
Or they're just really, really, really
Should I go
stupid
up to
people.
the top?
Yeah, go to the very top.
I have to wait.
Oh God, Benny.
Corey said hi.
I know you
Okay.
said hi. Oh, Benny, we made it!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, me and Benny Benson, we're the best. Oh, guy coming. Shit.
Oh shoot. Oh.
Oh no, Benny! This is a terrible idea.
He can't get out unless he has to wait 25 seconds.
Crap, I have to find a crafting bench.
Snipe.
Is there really no crafting bench in this house? That's convenient.
Build up.
I wanted to build arrows.
Oh shoot, he can snipe me off if I... What am I doing?
How did he get a furnace?
Just
Okay, I'm at the top.
hold on for 15 more seconds, Benny. And we got this.
9, 10,
I've got a wooden sword.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm dead. Let's pick up everything.
Just pick up every... No, Benny, turn around. Go back to the loot. There was chain pants.
Wait, I'm lagging. I can't fight them.
No, not... They're not right there. They're on the way other side of the map. You're not just lagging. There, right in front of you. There are chain... You just missed them.
Oh my god, I have to throw out something.
Benny.
Where? I'll just...
They were fighting and you didn't pick up the pants.
Okay, now he's bathing in my body.
I can't hear anyone.
You're gonna die.
Yeah.
Oh, he's almost dead.
I know.
No, nope, he's not running. Oh, he's not running anymore. Okay.
You're...
No, please don't.
What?
Someone's calling me.
I got 2 hearts.
Apparently, I have a video. I have a video thing because it says that I can video cam myself. Well, I guess that now I can show my new kitten.
Oh my god, this guy's gonna win. You're dead, Benny.
Yeah.
You've got this, Benny. Come on, just kill him.
Oh, it's right there.
Whee, whee, whee.
Oh my god.
Alright, guys, well, if you enjoyed the episode of me being trapped in the furnace, please hit that like button if you tell others. Subscribe to the Duck Squad, and also subscribe to the Turtle Kingdom, if I'm correct.
Yes, it is the Turtle Kingdom.
Even though he only saw him for like 5 seconds, that's okay. See you guys later, and bye-bye.